Hey there, have you often wondered what the difference is between a mortgage bank, a mortgage broker, a credit union, and a bank? I often get asked this question, and a lot of people use the term mortgage broker. A lot of consumers use the term mortgage broker interchangeably between all those four different institutions. So I'm here today to kind of educate you on what the difference is and why you'd use one over the other. So I have worked for all four. I'm currently a mortgage broker, and what that means to you as a consumer is I have access to over 140 banks, or 140 lenders, I should say, and a lot of different loan programs. And so the value there when you work with a mortgage broker is that I'm not tied to one lender or one institution. I can go outside and shop your loan to all these different loan broker lenders and different loan programs. So I started my career with a large depository institution, a large depository bank, and they are in the business as well of doing loans, but they also sell ancillary services. So for instance, when you walk into a bank, you can open a checking account, you can open a savings account, you can do a credit card with them, you can do a money market, a CD. And so the mortgage part of their business is just a part of their business. Now, if you go to a local credit union, they're typically local to your area. They're not national organizations, right? So they're local and they serve a community. And so they are different. They are I would say they're more like a mini bank in the sense that they offer those same types of services, but they're a not-for-profit, typically not a not-for-profit company. They don't have shareholders. They don't have, the profits from their business go back to the credit union members, if that makes sense. So some people love credit unions because they're local, they serve the community typically, and I worked for one of those too. That was my second role as a loan officer was a local credit union. And then there's a mortgage bank, and I recently worked for one of those. And a mortgage bank is simply, they only do mortgages. They don't have branches where you can go make deposits or open credit cards or do CDs. They simply only do mortgages. And the reason you use one over the other just depends on your situation, right? Like as a mortgage broker, if you went to a credit union and then you went to me, the credit union may only have a few different types of loan products that you can fit into. Whereas maybe if you couldn't do the loan there and you came to me, I would have a lender that could do the loan. So same with the banks and the mortgage banks, right? So if you ever wonder why you see a mortgage bank and what does that mean? It just means they're a mortgage bank. They don't do anything but mortgages. A bank's a bank, a credit union's a credit union, and a mortgage broker, which is what I am. We have access to a lot of different loan programs and lenders. So the next time you talk to somebody, ask them, are you a mortgage bank, a mortgage broker? Or are you, obviously you'll know if it's a credit union or if it's a bank, but hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions about the differences between these types of institutions and how you may fit in and what's best for you, feel free to reach out to me. You can check all my information out here. I hope you have a great day and hope you enjoy the video. Take care.